Welcome back to our channel Mootechie. In this video, we are going to see about how to overcome the problem called transition cannot be edited. So you can see that I have applied a transition between all the slides, but I cannot apply a transition between these two slides, and it shows the transition cannot be edited. And I can apply a transition between these two pages also, but I cannot apply an transition between 6th and 7th slide. Okay, this issues comes with me very long time, and I cannot find the solution for it, so that I will upload without the transition itself into my YouTube video. So now I have found the solution for it. What I have done is, you must verify the symbols. See, in first slide it shows an presentation symbol, second also has an presentation symbol, third also has, fourth also has, but fifth has a different symbol like this, like box. Then sixth also has a different box symbol, and seventh, eighth all in an other format. So what it is the slide which contain a similar form of slides, similar format of slides can apply and transition. So you can see third and fourth also has transition, fifth and sixth also has transition, but fourth and fifth we cannot add a transition to it. So now what to do is, I have done what mistake is, for applying a new slide I have just added a new page like this, and I have uploaded images to it. Okay, when doing like this, we can see that it is in a presentation form. Okay, now we can apply transition between these two presentation slides, but we cannot apply between these two presentation slides. Then how this slide came here is, I have inserted this slide in different format, like I have gone to the images and I have directly dropped into the timeline like this. Okay, when I directly drop the images into the timeline, it has a different format. See, you can see that it has a different format like this box. So this is the problem for the transition cannot be edited. The transition only be edited between the two similar slide types. To overcome this problem, you should either add a new page like this and should import the images into it, or otherwise you should directly drag and drop it to the timeline. So if you have then another one cool trick is, if you have completed your project and you should need a quick fix is, it can be done only with an premium account. So you just want to go to the resize option, and you can see here the presentation 16:9 is there. You should just click on it and just resize this design. What is basically done is, the all the slides will be now converted into the presentation type of slides. So now you can see that the 8th, 9th, 10th slides, which are in the basically in different forms, changes to the similar form of the presentation. So this is one of the trick to solve the problem. So now you can apply an transition between any slides. So you can see we can apply between any slides, and no problem arises, because all the slides are in the same format. So if you have this problem, verify whether the slides are in different format or not. If it is in different format and you have an premium account, just go to resize and click the presentation and resize it, or otherwise you need to delete the page, and you should bring them into a same type of slide types, like either in the presentation type or in another type of slides like this, another slides like this. Then you can find by looking the images like this also. And another way to find is, you can see the size between them. If you decrease the size, see the fifth slide has an different type of size, and sixth size has a different type of size. Even though both are in the 35% zoom, the sixth slide has an smaller type of slide, but fifth slide has a bigger type of slide. Like this also you can find the difference between your slides and the slide types. So to give an transition between all slides, so just verify that all the slides are in the same format. It is best to keep in the presentation format as it can be very useful for editing and exporting also. So guys, thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful and solved your problems of transition cannot be edited, let me know in comment box. And if you have any queries related to Canva, tag me in the comment section. I will therefore help you. Okay guys, thank you, thanks for watching, bye.